Hello guys, I'm gonna do a small experiment. You can see this is the solution of soap and this is the solution of detergent. I'll mention it below. Hydrogen peroxide. I think you can see the name. This is diet. Observe that by applying HCl solution on the leaf, it has particularly observed the solution, but in the detergent one, it looks like the moisture content is like that only. इससे हमको पता चलता है कि HCl सॉल्यूशन लगाने से मैंगो लीफ के ऊपर सिर्फ थोड़ा सॉल्यूशन बचा है। डिटर्जेंट में पूरा एक लेयर बन गया है डिटर्जेंट का। कुछ मॉइस्चर इज soap solution same like the detergent peroxide.